Hey guys, so we
Ayan,
got
Okay.
Mahina snow cones. Manya-manya pinating content sa Mata.
Sarap eh, oh. Shea Ice to masarap dito sa Hawaii.
Manya-manya yung kanila. Yung condensed milk.
Sarap. Dito yan sa
Yeah. Takman mo yung kanila.
Waikiki. Eh, barating milk.
Takman mo yan. Mubanta naman na-try mo yan.
No, try this side, mom.
No, don't eat right here. Dad, eat right here.
Hindi. Yang baru mayong mo ya. Too sweet. I don't like. Oh. Mag-schooling ko kami niyo. Hoy, hot mama, oh, you know. Wow. Wow na wow. Yan, talan tayo hot mama. Aray. Alright. Mamaya doon kami, oh. Sakyan niya po tayo. Sakay kami doon. Saling. Yun, oh. Uy. Ow. Ay. Uy, kalalam na. Picture mo kami, ayo.
Yeah. Go for busy right now. Oh, Dad, those are boat right there.
Wow, I know.
Picture mo na, Dad. I
Ali,
love picture.
tabagsin mo niya po ito.
Wait, can you guys like turn around to the ocean? Turn around to the ocean.
Right, yeah.
Okay. You look good right now. Okay, tanga pa, selfie tango.
Okay. Saan mo ba sa cellphone nyo? Waterproof yan? Ay, masira yan nandun.
Oh, selfie tag tanga pa. Kita tambay di yun. Kahit mga hindi ka
Karim lang tanong. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay, malamig ang tubig. Ayan yung galon. Ayan yung galon. Woohoo! Ay, pakaputak yan, babe. Malalam na yan. You know, mamaya doon kami sa Spirit of Aloha. Sunset Cruise.
Oh, wait. Look at that.
O yung banayad, malalab na po. Ay, malulunod ko, babe. Right. You know. Oh. Kailang manakbag ya. Malamig yung tubig, mga idol.
Dapat live ka pa. Ay!
Ansali. Ay, kainin na kayo, oh, malalam na. Lumalalim mga idol, lumalalim. Bebe, masyadong malahod. Kainin. Ayan, oh. Ang lalim na eh, ha. Lulunod tayo mga idol. Dito lang tayo, ha. Ayan, nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko, oh. Wow. Ayan, dito yung hotel namin, oh. Dito kami naka-check-in. Ayan, dahil doon pala sa kabila. Ayun. Ang tao. Dito na yan sa Honolulu.
Ellie, guess where we stopped?
Right.
Beautiful shelter.
How many popcorn?
That's not a crab. What's Kenyan?
Hindi yung mga anak ko.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh! Oh! Wow! Wow! Woo! Alright. Hey! Hey! Malulunod ko!
Magpamisya tamo, hindi na idali yun. Hindi na
I know. Alam nyo ba, ngayon lang ako naligo sa dagat. Lagi kami nandito, pero never ako naligo dito. Ngayon lang, mga idol. Ayan. Pinagbigyan ko tong bunso ko, ha? Sali na, ha? Pinagbigyan ko tong bunso ko maligo dito. Ay! Ay! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Nakakatakot!
Ayaw po dad, ayaw po dad.
Uy! 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 Uy!
Oh, God!
Oh my gulay! Ay! Ay! Lamig! Ah! Sarap mag-relax talaga sa Hawaii, mga idol. Oh, yan ah.
Dad, ako! Dad!
Oh my!
Ikaw, bakit pag...
Bili ko niya ka rin, para puwata naman yun eh. Ibalik ko.
Bumalik na ka sa dito.
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na, oh. Ready ng... Ayun yung boat namin.
Ang tatsulag ka na tanggit na mo?
Actually ka rin. Meron kaming ano kasi? Sunset Cruise.
Nalaman yung cellphone sabi. Nalaman yung cellphone.
Sunset Cruise. Ayun, ayun yung cruise namin. Nagba-volleyball. Come on, Andrea, dito, picture tayo. Oh,
Picture mo kami daddy kata. Oh.
in.
It's not ours. It's theirs. Here.
Ayan na, oh. Ayun na yung boat namin, oh. Sabi na malago ka ano. Ayan. Sunset Cruise.
Okay, so you need to go check in on that orange umbrella.
Orange.
Yeah, so you need to get one of these tickets. See it right here? It's the closest one.
Okay,
Right
okay.
past the people playing volleyball.
Okay, sure.
Cool. All right, so just head on down. So see Jackson to the shoebox. Toss your shoes in there. And then hop on board.
Oh no. Hello.
Hello, hi guys. Have your shoes in the bin for me, please.
Oh. Yabe-yabe lang, yan.
Aloha, guys.
Hello.
Welcome. We're just gonna head inside for a quick little briefing / introduction. Welcome.
Thank you.
Got the step coming on the boat.
Ay, it's moving a lot. Hello. Oh no, I feel dizzy already. Oh my god. Hello.
Oh no,
Ah. Oh boy. Maligo na ako.
Picture that house.
Sige.
At least we got first seats. Dali ka palang kaya biyasa.
Maligo ko kung saan gagalo.
Kita ako ang mga nan. Oh no, I'm first.
Ah, ito pala. Ah. Don't go in the blue thing, ha? Ano? Ay, kinita mo. Kita ako sa ticket. Yeah. Ooh, oh my. Alright. Yan o, alis na kami o.
Where's that Tia?
Andi ya, dito baka malahulog ka.
Picture mo kita na. Sige. Okay.
Okay.
Picture mo ka na.
Ano?
We're gonna go inside?
Alright.
You're right here.
There you go.
Oh no.
There you go.
Oh, I'm good. Hi.
Oh, so
So much fun.
ano yan day oh. Sunset Cruise. Alright. Sunset Cruise. Ayan oh. Pinsan ni Sunset Cruise. Ayan oh. Alright.
Well, look at the rainbow.
Where's the oh, that's the rainbow.
Okay, Mom, take a picture
There's a
right there. Go
rainbow.
on that one. And so the rainbow's there.
Alright, guys, we're officially off the dock. Meet bars.
Woo! Asan yung cellphone mo? Ay may lalakon mga niya, manakbag
It's
ya
not
yan.
gonna fall.
Oh, ipache may nakbag ka rin yan. I'm telling you.
One, two.
You have to stand up to see both ends.
Si may nakbag yung anak ko, that's it.
Don't fall.
That's scared.
Hmm.
See, you see both ends.
I'm scared, oh my god. Whee!
Don't slide.
Aray ko. Ah! Oh. Oh, come on, Ansalin. Oh, look, manakbag ka eh. Oh, there's a rainbow. Ay, mumuran. Oh my god, it's raining. Woohoo! Ha? Aligo bisa.
We have Mai Tai, pina colada, a drink which is like pineapple ginger ale, and whiskey.
Oh, same thing, yeah.
I'll take a Chardonnay.
Thank you.
pina colada?
If not,
What's Angeline?
your favorite beer.
Ayan guys, oh, umuulan, no? Rain in Hawaii. It's raining. There's the rainbow. Kaya tatalang again Andy, ah. Wow. Wow. Kaya dito ka, ha? Anak ng teteng naman, ang lakas ng ulan. Oh my god. Are we gonna be okay here?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Woo, look at that. Oh boy. Ayan, sanin. Yan yata yung menu. Ayan o, sakto mo. Ano yun? Parang daw palagyan yung magtayo. Surfing?
Look, catch the wave.
Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Woo.
Kaya na pala ng batay.
Yeah.
Why is it raining? Oh, guys, there's a rainbow.
The whole thing.
Yeah, we got a. It's over Diamond Head too. Look at that. Look at that thing. It looks fake.
Kasi ganun nga, no? Oh my God. There you go.
Yeah, the surf spot's called Kaiser. Surfing is a very popular spot over here. Just because look at that pink building over there. It actually used to be Kaiser Hospital back in like the 60s. Now it's a surf rig. They named after that.
Alam mo na ka nakagkinin na dad. Kailangan na yan ah.
Now it's set to go
Wala.
right over it.
Ay, wala mo katigdola mo yan.
Wow. Oh no.
Anthony, where's my cellphone? Walang cellphone ko na yan. Like,
Nada mo yung cellphone nyo. Oh my God.
I'm so proud of you, Dad.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, video.
cheers.
Alright.
Hey, yeah, you want some? Mai Tai. Ay, piña colada.
Pina colada.
Piña colada.
Ano? Wow. Yan.
Nakita ko tayo pangalan.
Ayun ang hotel namin, oh. Oh my. What the heck? What's going on?
Ayun din guys.
Yan. Yan na. Yan na. Kasalin! Tatalang ka na! Yun o. Ah! Oh!
Ano mali mo aking kanya mali.
Wow!
From where?
My family grew up in California, but my grandma and grandparents grew up in Manila.
That's why you got my body.
I got from you.
Yeah!
Yeah,
I think that's your brother right there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
My brother from my other mother.
Walang pwede na yan. I
Right?
know.
yeah, no, I was in Bohol.
Oh, Bohol.
Bohol. Okay. Right
The
on.
whale sharks.
Yeah.
Where
Eh.
you from?
California?
Where from?
Bay Area?
Oh, where there?
Pittsburgh?
Pittsburgh. My family are in Vallejo.
Oh, okay.
We lived
Close.
there before too.
That's close.
More rain.
More rain. Good.
Where's everybody? What the heck?
They didn't want to get wet.
Oh my
Not
God.
wet. It's only once in a while. That's right. Dad, how's your experience?
So far so good.
So far, so good. There you go. No more scared.
No, I don't know. Let's see.
May vlog ni Dad, oh. Yan, hindi nila na nakang-cover, Dad. Titanic ka,
Yeah.
Picture kita. Picture kita mag-lagi.
Oh, maruptakan mo.
Titanic sa alipod. What mo ba?
Yan oh.
Dad!
Wait. Ay, butang magkata.
Balik ka.
No. Ken na mo.
What to?
No, Ken na. Yan oh, ganda ng Hawaii, guys. Oh, kahit basang-basa kami rito. Iniwan kami ng mga ha?
Mag-asya.
Yun oh, container oh. my brother over there. You know.
Yeah, just ask them, you want my side? Just ask them, you want my side?
Waikiki, you know. Wet na kami, wet.
Selfie ka, Ken. Selfie ka. Tingin kayo ron.
Di ka na mo ba tatanong si Ken, no?
Okay. Kapang kayo ron. Tingin ka, Ken. Bang ako ah.
Ganun lang. Ganun lang ako.
Direct.
May anak bagi. Puno bagi ka. Yan.
Kaya nila makikita ka. Kaya nila wala ko sabi.
Oh, ayan oh, may tahimik. Ayun oh. Tambayin kayo.
Ayan tang
Container, yung mga kotse. Yan yan. Cargo ship pala ang tawag yan. Ayun na, sunset.
lako.
Palubog na yung araw. Ayun yung kapitan namin. Alright. Not bad pala, not bad. Gusto na yung drink ko. Maganda rito, ayan o. Drinks yun. Nako, mayroon siyang Mai Tai. Mai Tai?
Yeah.
Alright.
He double shot me.
Double shot. Antay wali mo, tsaka rin.
Yeah.
O kaya mo?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
If you sell one,
I'm scared.
bakit?
No.
Ayan.
Wait for me.
Oh, ayun nga. Come on, anak ko. Ayan.
Yung mga tabyas.
Mom.
I know.
Put your hand. Like that.
No,
other way.
way.
Oh my god.
Kaya ako ito. Kaya pala yung drink.
Dad, how are you doing?
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Come on, come on. Captain, there you go. Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Halika rin tayo naman marang. Basang tingin.
Mom, I don't want to do a picture.
One more. Kita tama marang basang tingin. Kaya, oh, dali, oh. Dad.
Wait, take it. Take it right now.
Yes, yes.
Is that Paul?
No, just as nice.
Welcome to the jungle.
Ay, pagpapicture ka kita.
Come on, there you go. Alright, yeah. Woo. Look at that. Huh?
I'll push you, don't worry.
I would be the first one to fall off the boat. That's you. This
You good?
Are you getting seasick or no?
No.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, binom mo nga ako.
No, in there? It's. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy.
Mas nakakailo doon. Sabi nga naman, di ba?
Mom, I'm yours. No. Dad, try my.
Ayun, kung hindi mo kaya na kung inumin. O, tapon mo sa basura.
No, I'm gonna drink more. I'm gonna make one before.
Hindi mo kailangan inumin. You don't want it.
Oh, pwede matakpan.
Yeah, try mine.
Mas masarap din sa amin. Pinakulada.
Try mine.
You can mix it.
Babagsikin sigurin kayo.
Ask him. Mix it.
Yeah, takpan mo yan.
There. Oh, Azalin, get here.
Cellphone ko, cellphone. Look at this way. Cellphone ko, cellphone.
Thank you, thank you.
yung pakadulo ken. Tamin. Ken na gusto na ken. Ayun na, ken na.
There's stuff on your butt, Aslan. Yeah. It's like brown.
Ah.
You want me to drive the seat for you?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Baby, yung telepono mo, balakbag ya. Thank you. All right. Wow. Look at that. Yun ah. Salin tatalang ka kaya anak po. Oh my god. Yung pakadulo.
Actually, it's better here.
Yeah, than inside na yan.
Yeah.
May nakabagyapin yung phone ko ng MJ.
Really?
Yeah, buti.
He caught it?
Oo, buti na nakalapag lang dyan.
What?
Ay, natala ni cellphone.
Ayan. Pag nahulog yung cellphone ko dyan, that's it. It's over.
Aslan, mom recorded a video.
Ganda oh.
Like, you know they have beer, right?
Ay, ito. Masarap to.
Ay, natakman niya. Pwede man.
Alam, gusto na kanina. Okay. Ayan oh. Oh. Oh, haba. Oh, ito, inano yan. Ansalin.
Hindi ka pala dapat gawat. Isang kahit pa eh. Yeah. Pwede kang gawat. Kaya pwede kang gawat.
Ah. Kaya na ka mo.
Pwede na nakapundi ka.
Hindi na kaya na makablog ko oh.
Pwede na nakapundi ka ako ito.
Yan. Yan o. Pilim, siya yun. Hey! Oh. Sarap sa Hawaii. Masarap sa Hawaii. Alright. Kunin ko muna yung phone ko ha. Ayan o. Papunta kami Subic. Ayan o. Where? Oh my god. Ay. Woohoo! Look at that. Ay. Dang. Makalyo oh. Oh. And big wave. Big wave. Oh. Alright. There you go, right? Alright.
No, sir.
Oh.
Just go on the sled. Hey, I love it. You guys are all wearing white.
Oh, nice. Yeah, huh?
Well, she's about to get married, so.
I got married.
Oh, you already did?
Oh, yeah, we're done.
Okay. I thought you said you were about
We're just going
downstairs.
Right.
Asked me to marry me again, but I won't.
Where? What?
In the net?
Get in the net.
Where in the net?
Yung aring ko. Oh, what? Oh my God. Ay, babe, masig ka magalo.
Morning, America!
Just you alone. You gotta bend your knee.
Oh my God. Woohoo! Magalo eh. Yee!
Ready?
Yes.
Oh! Wow! Woo! Salamat po. Alright. Thank you.
Big wave.
Yes, yes. Come on. Kata na kami.
Ako rin ako.
Kata na agad.
That's scared.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Woo!
Yeah, for sure.
Ah. Oh my God.
Ay, wala din sa second.
Alright.
Then mo.
Oh. Ini ka. Mas buring mo katalad yata. Ini, mas. Malilyungin, lukluk. Yeah. Oy, naglolobat na ako. Alright. Oh my God. Ano naman ang wave, oh? Look at the wave. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh boy. Woo. Ay, ay, ay. Wow, ma. Woo. Oh my God. Uh-oh.
Gotta wait for the big one.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
Definitely out here after our shirt.
That way, or what do you want to do?
Whichever. I'm not picky. I feel like it's
No.
Hey, Musubi!
Musubi.
Oh boy. Lakas ng ano, no? Hindi, oh, yung lawak. Kaya. Talang ka, patang makay ka eh. Ay, malayo na kami, oh. Oh, look at the wave. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa! Oh my God! Woo! Woo! Ay, ay, ay! Got a big wave. Oh my God! Ay, ay, ay! Ay, ay, ay. Lakas ng wave. Alright guys, dito lang, hanggang dito na lang. Alright. Oh my God. Oh, lukluk kayo. Hang tight. Bumpy daw, bumpy. Miss, malalaking alon na yan, oh. Ang lalaki niya. Oh my God. Ayun, oh. Oh my God. Ay, grabe yung alon dito. Ang lalaki. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ay, ay, ay. Holy macaroni. Ayun, ang lalaki ng alon doon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Balik na kaya tayo. Oh my. Ay, ay, look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God. Yes, let's go back. Let's go back. Oh my God. Yes, yes. Oh my God. Ah.
Like every day for the last like 10 years. I walk better on boats than I do on land.
Ang gano'ng kalaking alon. Ayan, oh. Naka-2 drinks na yan, oh. Malasing na yan, oh. Oh, yun. Umikot. Alright. Oh my gulay. Oh. Oh, ang galing, oh. Wow. That's nice.
All you gotta get is you gotta get your like ocean rescue shirts or lifeguard, and then almost any boat will hire you because they hate paying for that. You're on top of the list.
I was gonna become a nurse, and my whole family got mad at me because I ended up working on the road instead. I was like,
Literally, if you have that cert, everything there is all about boats.
Babe, babe.
So this one's fun already because we sail and do like the bartending, bartending.
Babe, tatalang ka,
That
please.
I was on before this. It was all like I did like nature photography. I got to get in the water with like humpbacks and island whales. I had to swim with pygmy killer whales.
Oo. Bumukasan rin. Sit down.
I almost jumped on top of the lava fish.
Oh, very cool. I'm doing the North Shore Shark Tank dive.
My craziest experience is I had a whole pilot whale try to attack me while I was getting
Going back na. Ayun na. Alright. Agad sila nurang ka rin. Ayun na, sunset na, oh. Ayun na, oh. Lakas, oh.
I'm Natalie.
Wow.
Nice to meet you, Natalie. I've been Hawaii.
Na. Huling araw. Huling araw, guys. Balik na kami, oh. Alright. Ayun na. Ito yung ano, palubog ngayong araw. Tapos, balik na kami.